peeps! Universal Studios Orlando has officially released the menus for all the exciting food coming to this year's Halloween Horror Nights event. And so we're back with our annual guide to all of the food coming to Halloween Horror Nights 2024. There will be a ton of house-themed kiosks this year, including A Quiet Place, which will feature the Abbott's Farm Corn Chowder, the Millbrook's Baked Beans, and the Wooden Boar Eclair, which is a spicy dark chocolate pastry cream-filled eclair dipped in chocolate ganache with a bloody chocolate plank. Next up, we have Ghostbusters Frozen Empire, which will feature a number of popular dishes, including the Slimer's Korean Corn Dog, which is a Korean cheese dog with Fritos, coated with Cheetos powder, ghost pepper spice, sage derby cheese, and mozzarella. You'll also be able to get the Frozen Death Chill, and if you think mini puffs look cute enough to eat, now's your chance. The Mini Stay Puft S'more is a marshmallow toasted right in front of you atop a chocolate bar and graham cracker, which is a spooky twist on a childhood favorite. For Insidious, The Further, you'll be able to get Eggs in the Further, a Last Key Pop, and The Red Door, which is a vegan ham pie filled with a demonically delicious samosa filling of chickpeas, potatoes, and spices. Universal Monsters Eternal Bloodlines features the In the Fog Fish and Chips, the Forbidden Falafel, and a tribute to the Bride of Frankenstein's lost love, the Bride's Cake, which is a mini 3-tiered green-tinted vanilla wedding cake filled with raspberry, coated with chocolate, and finished off with whipped topping. Monstros, the Monsters of Latin America, will feature a Heartbeat Tostada, which is a vegan and gluten-free tostada that will get your blood pumping with braised ground beets, hearts of palm, hummus, and vegan goat cheese in a corn tortilla. Other dishes include the Spinal Column Pinchos, the Pork Carniceria, and the Chocolate Tres Leches. At Slaughter Cinema 2, you can get the Summer Camp Dog, which is a deep-fried, all-beef Nathan's hot dog topped with Tostitos nacho cheese, baked beans, pepper relish, and Doritos crumble. You'll be also able to get the Ropa Vieja walking taco, a vegan walking taco, the Rocks from Hell, and Flamin' Hot Cheetos flavored popcorn. Major Sweets Candy Factory will feature the Poison Apple, a majorly sweet dessert worth killing for, with caramel mousse on the outside, chunks of Granny Smith apples on the inside, and garnished with chocolate, cookie crumbs, and a gummy centipede. You'll also be able to get the African Lentil and Potato Sambusa Coffin, and the Cyclops Cup, which is a frozen peanut butter cup with a candy eyeball. At Goblin's Feast, you'll be able to get the Harissa Barbecue Turkey Wing, a crispy turkey wing coated with a spiky harissa barbecue sauce. Returning this year, the Pumpkin Guts, which is a butternut squash and zucchini noodles with pumpkin seeds and vegan butter inside an acorn squash, and the Goblin Pie, which is a baked mini apple pie with cinnamon sugar and a bloody raspberry jam. And finally, Triplets of Terror will feature the Say Cheeseburger, an all-beef patty on a cheese bun with American cheese, white cheddar, lettuce, tomato, red onion, and dill pickle aioli. You'll also be able to get the Bloody Goodie Bag, which are crispy chicken chunks with fries, pepper onion mix, and a bloody good sauce. And finally, the Slash Siblings Sweet Sampler, which is a bubblegum mousse balloon, funfetti cupcake, and a chocolate cheesecake cone trio. Venture outside the park to Twosome's Chocolate Emporium and Savory Feast Kitchen, where you can get the Dia de los Muertos shake. Celebrate Day of the Dead at the Twosome Chocolate Emporium and Savory Feast Kitchen with a chocolate chili ice cream shake, topped with cinnamon streusel, edible marigolds, and a chocolate sugar cookie skull. And of course, there will be specialty cocktails featured throughout the park. We have some highlights featured here, including the Surreal Soda, which is Cheetos Vodka, Fanta Orange, Sprite, and Blue Raspberry Syrup, the Sinister Spritz, which is New Amsterdam Vodka, Aperol Aperitivo, and Fanta Orange, and the Creepy Cola, Jack Daniel's Old No. 7 Whiskey, Coca-Cola Classic, Black Cherry Puree, Stone Fruit Syrup, and Gummy Creepy Crawlers on top. There are even more dishes and cocktails that we were not able to highlight in this video. There's a ton of stuff out there, so if you're interested in checking out what's left, scan this QR code now and it'll bring you to the full menu on the official Halloween Horror Nights website. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button on this video, it really helps us out, and while you're down there, hit the subscribe and notification bells because we have even more Halloween Horror Nights content coming up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.